Welcome back to this week's market update. This week, we are looking at the latest movements in gold, silver, and the wider precious metals market. Gold and silver experienced another volatile week as investors responded to changing global developments, inflation concerns, and evolving expectations around monetary policy. At the beginning of the week, precious metals came under strong selling pressure. Spot gold fell to a multi-month low near $4,366 per ounce, before recovering later in the week toward the $4,450 to $4,500 per ounce range. A key factor behind this market volatility was the ongoing negotiations between the United States and Iran. Reports suggesting progress toward an extension of current agreements or a broader diplomatic outcome initially reduced demand for defensive assets. This contributed to gold's decline during the middle of the week. However, as the week continued, uncertainty around the negotiations and fading optimism helped stabilize bullion prices. From a technical perspective, gold successfully tested and held its rising 200-day moving average. This level has provided significant support since March. According to market analysts, it remains an important point for the precious metals market. With speculative positioning now largely neutral and short-term momentum improving, investors are watching closely for signs that a more durable price base may be forming. Macroeconomic conditions remain mixed during the week. Strong U.S. corporate earnings, resilient durable goods orders, and solid export data supported broader risk sentiment. This helped global equity markets finish the week higher. At the same time, inflation pressures remained elevated across major economies, including the United States, Japan, Australia, and the United Kingdom. Falling Treasury yields and a weaker U.S. dollar provided some support for gold. However, expectations that central banks will maintain restrictive policy settings continue to limit upside potential. Silver followed gold's recovery during the week. It was supported by improving industrial sentiment and stronger Chinese manufacturing data. Looking ahead, inflation trends, U.S. monetary policy expectations, and global market developments are expected to remain the key drivers of precious metals performance. That concludes this week's market update. For more insights on precious metals, global markets, and long-term wealth preservation, subscribe to the channel.